Today, let's see how to import data from Dropbox into WordPress with WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. If your files are stored in Dropbox and you want a simple way to bring them directly into WordPress, this method saves you time and keeps everything in sync. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. It takes you to the Import/Update tab. This is where you'll find all your import options. On the left, you'll see different upload methods like uploading from your desktop, FTP, URL, or server. Since we're using Dropbox, select Upload from External. This opens the external source panel. Inside the panel, choose Dropbox. You'll see fields for the app key, secret key, and your redirect URL. Enter the values provided by Dropbox. Once they're added, click Connect to Dropbox. If everything is set correctly, you'll see a confirmation message saying Dropbox connected successfully. Next, the plugin loads your Dropbox file list. Here, you can search, scroll, or browse through your folders exactly like you do inside Dropbox. When you find the file you want to import, whether it's a CSV, XML, TSV, or Excel, just click the row to select it. You'll now see the file appear under Selected File. Once you're ready, click Upload File. The importer will pull the file from Dropbox into your WordPress environment. When the file upload finishes, you'll get a confirmation message. From this point onward, the steps are exactly the same as any import using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. You simply choose the import type, fresh import or update content, and module you want to import into like posts, pages, WooCommerce products, or the events calendar events. Then map your fields. Save the mapping with a name to proceed next. Configure media handling and any advanced import settings like rollback, maintenance mode, duplicate handling. Select one unique identifier here. Then category filter or iteration-based import. If you want to schedule the import, configure it here. Otherwise, to run the import immediately, click Import. That's it. You've successfully imported data into WordPress directly from Dropbox without downloading anything manually. If you want to automate your workflow even further, you can repeat this process anytime your Dropbox file updates, or set up scheduled imports inside the plugin. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore the plugin's advanced import and export features to streamline your content management even more. Thanks for watching.